some important problems which is related to trigonometry. In the previous class, I have already discussed some important problems, that means good problems which is related to compound angle formula. But in this problem, I will again discuss some that problems which is also comes type of compound angle, but there is something difference. That means first of all I want to explain that what do we have to study about in this step in this video. Sum of trigonometric angle, sum of trigonometric angle, you have to convert sum of trigonometric angle into, firstly write it, converting sum of trigonometric angle into product of trigonometric angle. Trigonometric angle. And second topic also we discuss, you have to convert product of trigonometric angle, converting product of trigonometric angle, trigonometric angle into sum of trigonometric angle. That is, this is our point of view. In this video, you have to study about this topic. In the previous class, I have already written all those formula which is relevant to this topic. Further, I want to explain all those formula which is completely based to explain this concept. Now, we take firstly write the formula which is related to this topic. And you know that in the previous class I have already discussed sin c plus, you can write it just as sin x into sin y. If you write 2 sin x into cos y, then it will be sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Another formula will be 2 cos x into sin y, then it will be sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Another formula will be 2 sin x into sin y, that will be cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, and finally we write 2 cos x into cos y, that will be cos x plus y, sorry, cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. This is the formula that converted product of trigonometric angle into sum of trigonometric angle. Sometimes it is important for you while you are studying integration of trigonometric function. In that case, it is given that given function will be as a product of two trigonometric function. Then whatever you try to find the integral of that function, then you have to separate as a sum of two trigonometric function or difference of two trigonometric function. After it becomes very easy for you to determine its integral. Similarly, if it is given that 2 cos x into sin y, here x and y may be any trigonometric function, any variable. Suppose that in general case x and y will be linear. 2 cos x into sin y, it will be sin x plus y, sin x minus y. It is the formula by which you convert product of trigonometric angle into sum or difference of two trigonometric function. If you convert it in sum of trigonometric function, in this case you can easily find integration of trigonometric function. Sometimes it is also easy to determine its derivative. So I want to tell you, you have to definitely remember all those formula which is that becomes that helps to solve integral or derivatives in next class and also in class 11th. Now we take that formula which converts sum of angle into product of trigonometric function. Now I want to write that formula. Another formula will be second part you have to write it. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. And another formula will be second two, that will be sin c minus sin d, which will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Third formula will be cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Finally, we write fourth formula, that will be cos c minus cos d will be cos c minus cos d will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. You have to remember this formula because it is very different above all three formulae, because in this all formula you write c minus d by 2, but in this problem you write d minus c by 2. Sometimes it is also equal to cos d minus cos c is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. If you want to write in terms of c minus d by 2, then you can write this formula as, I want to write in above part sheet. First I want to rub above portion. Here cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. It can be written as also 2 times sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Whole expression will be minus times. That means cos c minus cos d may be equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, as well as minus 2 times sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here I am doing here nothing, just like, as you know that sin d minus c by 2 can be written as sin minus times c minus d by 2. As you know that if you suppose c minus d by 2 is equal to theta, in that case it will be sin minus theta, and you have already know about it. Sin minus theta will be minus sin theta, so you can write it minus sin c minus d by 2. So I have written here cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, as well as minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. It becomes very helpful for you to determine in next class integral of function, derivative of given function. So I want to tell you always, you have to remember all those formula of trigonometry, because in calculus, most of the part of calculus relevant to trigonometry. If you remove trigonometry, then it becomes very easy as for trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential function. Now we take some problems which is based upon this formula. First of all, first formula will be express the following product of sum of or difference of trigonometric function. In the given, you have to write express the following products, into sum or difference of two trigonometric function, into sum or difference of trigonometric function. Sum or difference of trigonometric function. Now, first of all, I want to write problem. It is given that 2 times sin 5x into cos 3x. 2 sin 5x into cos 3x. How can you convert this trigonometric function which is given in product of trigonometric function into a sum or difference of trigonometric function? As you know that 2 sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. That means here a and b are two different trigonometric angle. That means here a is equal to 5x and b is equal to 3x. Can you write it? Can you write it this angle as sin a plus b? That means here a will be what? 5x and b will be what? 3x. So using this formula, because this is just like this angle, this formula here it is given that 2 sin 5x into cos 3x. That means it will be 2 sin a into cos b, because you can suppose 5x is as a and 3x is as b. In this case you can write it sin a plus b. That means sum of two angle a and b and difference of two angle in terms of sin. That means you can write 5x plus 3x plus sin a minus b. That will be sin 5x minus 3x. Finally you can write it sin 5x plus 3x will be 8x and sin 5x minus 3x will be sin 2x. It is the final expression of this formula. Now we want to write second problem, that will be cos 9x into cos x. How can you convert it into sum of trigonometric function? It is a cos 9x into cos x. As you know that all trigonometric formula which is in terms of product of two trigonometric function, then there should be definitely two here. After it you can convert it into sum or difference of trigonometric function. Definitely you consider here there should be two. If there is no two, you can hit and try. That means you have to multiply by 2 and similarly you have to also divide by 2. That means you can write it 1 by 2 times 2. Cos 9x into cos x. Can you write it? Another way is also, if you want to write, suppose that you want to cos 9x into, suppose that here there is no 2. In that case you can consider, if you take 2 in this way, then you can write sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b by 2. But there is just a burden for you, so I want to remove it and simply you have to multiply and divide. Another way, there is number of formulas, so I want to do not remember separately sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b divided by 2. Now, as you know that cos a into firstly I want to multiply by 2 and divide also. Then you get 1 by 2 times 2 cos 9x into cos x. Then this term will be 2 cos a into cos b. What is the formula of 2 cos a into cos b? In the previous, I have just written all those formulas in which this formula also written. Now, as you know that 1 by 2 cos a into cos b, 2 cos a into cos b is equal to what? What will be? 2 cos a into cos b is equal to cos a plus b cos a plus b. That means here a is equal to what? 9x plus b is equal to what? X plus cos a minus b. Now it can be expressed as cos 10x plus cos 8x. How can you? Simply it is you can another way you can convert it, because cos a plus b will be cos a into cos b plus minus sin a into sin b, and this will be cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. In this case sin a into sin b will be removed because in this term sin a into sin b will be positive, while in this expression sin a into sin b will be negative. So both of them will be removed, and finally you get 2 times cos a into cos b. So another way is also, but you have to simply remember simple formula and you have to solve this problem. Now we take third question. In this question it is given that you have to convert cos 9x into cos 9x into cos x. Sorry, it will be 3, question number 3. Now we write next problem, that will be 2 cos 5x into sin 3x. 2 cos 5x into sin 3x. Here 2 cos a into sin b. Suppose that 5x is equal to a and 3x is equal to b, then in this case it will be 2 cos a into sin b. Now 2 cos a into sin b will be what? Sin a plus b, that means 5x plus 3x minus sin a minus b, that means 5x minus 3x. Then it will be sin 8x minus sin 2x. It is third number problem. Now we take next examples. Actually, I want to simply firstly all those problems explain which is directly based on formula. After it, I will again discuss some standard problems. Third, problem 4. In this question, it is given that you have to convert 3 sin 13x into sin 3x. How can you convert this product of two trigonometric function into sum or difference of two trigonometric function? This is very simple. Here it is given 2, 3. As you know that there is no given in formula 3, then in this case definitely you consider how can you write 3 or how can you remove. You don't remove it, you simply you have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2 because there is necessary for you to in a given trigonometric function. So you can write 2 times 13x into sin 3x. Now it will be 3 by 2, and as you know that 2 sin a into sin b will be 1 cos a minus b, that means 13x minus 3x, that will be, I want to write it firstly, 13x minus 3x minus cos a plus b, that means you can write a plus b means that 13x plus 3x. Now it will be 3 by 2 times cos 10x minus cos 16x. I think you completely remember all this formula, and I have also taken some simple problem which is completely based on given formula. Now we take another type problem in which it is given sum of trigonometric function and you have to convert it into as a product of two trigonometric function. Here given that express the following sum of trigonometric function into product or difference, product of trigonometric function. First will be cos 5x plus cos 3x. I think there is no use in integration, but in sometimes whatever you try to convert it in a standard form function, then definitely it will be used. Cos 5x plus cos 3x will be what? Firstly, I want to revise your formula. What will be the formula of cos c plus cos d? As you know that cos c plus cos d is equal to it will be c and it will be d. So if you write formula cos c plus cos d, then cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 times cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So you can write 2 times cos c plus d by 2. That means you can write 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That means 5x minus 3x by 2. So you can write 2 times 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2. That means cos 4x into 5x minus 3x. That will be 2x by 2. That means cos x. This is now your final answer. Now we take next problem. In the next example, it is given that you have to convert sin 7x plus sin 4x. Sin 7x plus sin 4x into as a product of two trigonometric functions. As you know that sin c plus sin d is equal to what? 2 times sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. In that case, you will get 2 times sin 11x by 2 into sin, cos here will be cos 3x by 2. It is your final formula. Now we take a third example. In third example, it is given that you have to convert sin 9x minus sin 2x. Sin c minus sin d will be 2 times cos c plus d by 2. That means 9x plus 2x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That means 9x minus 2x by 2. Finally, you can write 2 times cos 11x by 2 into sin 7x by 2. That means it will be third solution, and finally I will write cos 5x minus cos 11x. It will be cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d will be what? 2 times sin c plus d by 2. That means 5x plus 11x. Cos c minus cos d by 2. That means here it will be 2 times sin c plus d by 2. That means 5x plus 11x by 2. That is what? 8x. I want to write directly into sin d minus c by 2. That means cos 11x minus cos 11x minus 5x. That means 6x. So you by 2. That means sin 3x. This is your final answer. That means you can consider there are two ways you can convert sum of product. You can check it. 2 sin a into sin b is equal to what? Cos c plus d by 2 sin a into cos c plus d by 2 minus cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula. Similarly, here cos 5x plus cos 3x will be 2 cos a into cos b. It is also divided. So you can consider 2 cos a into cos b is equal to cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here it will be 2 sin a into sin b is equal to what? Cos c plus d by 2 minus cos d minus c by 2. Now I want to take another example. Now we take another example which is also similar but something different. I want to write example 30. In this problem, example 3, it is given that here prove that 2 sin 5 pi by 12 into cos pi by 12 is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2. You have to prove it. How can you solve this problem? As you know that pi by 12 means what? Pi by 12 means what? That means 180 degree divided by 12. That will be 15 degrees. Do you know the formula? Do you know the value of cos 15 degree? No. Until now, you do not know the formula of cos 15 degree. I think you also know value of cos 15 degree in the compound angle formula, but whatever you try to find actually you don't remember the formula value of cos 15 degree. So you can't put. Similarly here it is also given 5 pi by 12. That means if you put here 15, that means you get what? 75 degree. You don't know 75 degree. I think you can find, but this is a long way. That means you can't. You have not remembered all for value of cos 15 degree, cos sin 75 degree. Definitely you use formula of compound angle formula. But there is also another way to solve this type problem. If it is not given the value of cos 15 degree sin 75 degree, then you can find first way cos 15 degree and sin 75 degree. How can you find? First method, can you write cos 15 is equal to what? Cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. As you know that cos A into cos B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. You have to use this formula and you have to find the value of cos 15 degree. Similarly, here sin 5 pi by 12, that is sin 75 degree. How can you find the value of sin 75 degree? This is the way you can find. Can you write it sin 45 degree plus 30 degree? And here you have to use sin A plus B and you can find sin 75 degree. This is the simple way. Second method, you have to find this cos 15 degree and sin 75 degree, and after it you have to put in this expression. After it you have to finally get 2 plus root 3 by 2. Now I want to solve by another way in which there is no usage of cos 15 degree and sin 75 degree. How can you solve it? As you know that it is in terms of 2 sin A into cos B. If it is in terms of 2 sin A into cos B, as you know that 2 sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. In that case, can you write it sin A, that will be 5 pi by 12 plus pi by 12 plus sin 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12. If you add, you get sin 6 pi by 12, which will be pi by 2 into, it will be 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12, that means 4 pi by 12, that will be plus sin, it will be 4 pi by 12. You can convert 4 by 4, you can divide 12 by 3 times by 4, so you can write pi by 3. Sin pi by 2 will be what? 1 plus sin pi by 3 will be what? Root 3. If you add it, you get 2 plus root 3 by 2. So you can solve this problem by 2 ways. Now we take another examples. Another will be 2 sin 45 degree into sin 15 degree. How can you solve this problem? It is also similar problems because it is given that 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B is equal to what? I think you can find also another way. Firstly, you have to find sin 15 degree using sin 45 minus 30. Using compound angle formula. After it, as you know that sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and after calculating you can find it also. It will be root 3 minus 1 by 2, which is given that. You have to prove it. Now I want to solve it. As you know that 2 sin A into sin B is equal to what? From LHS, 2 sin A into sin B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. If you add in 45 50, then you get cos 60 degree plus cos 45 minus cos 15 will be what? Cos, sorry, here it will be minus. Here it will be minus, and here it will be minus and here it will be plus. Plus minus. As you know that 2 sin A into sin B is equal to cos C plus D by cos C plus D, but here you have to write cos A minus cos C minus D minus cos C plus D. It is a formula of 2 sin A into sin B. Now here you get minus cos 60 plus, if you write cos 45 minus 15, that will be what? Cos 30. As you know that minus cos 60 will be minus 1 by 2 plus cos 30 will be what? Root 3 by 2. If you simplify it, you get root 3 minus 1 by 2. This is the way by which you can solve all those problems which is simply based as it. Now we take another problem in which given that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 into cos x. I think you can solve it also another way. You have to expand it. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, and second term will be cos A minus B, which can be also expressed into cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Here after calculating you remove sin A into sin B, you finally you get cos pi by 4 into cos pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, that will be root 2 times cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4, that means in both term cos pi by 4, and you can take root 2 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that means root 2, and another term should be cos x, so you can find root 2 into cos x. But here you do not use this formula. Now I want to cos C plus cos D. If you use cos C plus cos D, what will be the formula of cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2, that means pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So you can write pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. Here cos C plus D by 2, here C is equal to pi by 4 plus x and D is equal to pi by 4 minus x. So you can write cos C 2 times cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. Here C is equal to pi by 4 plus x, so I have written here pi by 4 plus x minus D, that means minus, that means whole expression minus times, so it will be minus pi by 4 and minus plus x by 2. If you add it, x will be cancelled, and here pi by 4 will be cancelled. So you get 2 times cos pi by 4 or pi by 4, that means what? Pi by 2, and if you again divide by 2, that means you get pi by 4 into cos x plus x, cos 2x divided by 2, that means here in angle 2x divided by 2, that means you can find also it cos x. As you know that cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. If you multiply 2 by 1 by root 2, then you get what? Root 2 into cos x. I think if you can't understand it, cos pi by 4, it will be 2 times cos pi by 4 will be here root 2. As you know that root 2 can be written as root 2 times root 2, and root 2 cancel, and here you get root 2. So you can find root 2. I think you understand this question also. Now we take next problem. Now we take next example. Next example will be, I think next example will be similar problem. So I want to remove it, and we take some standard problem. I think question 4 लेते. let it is given that you have to prove that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. Another will be sin 9x, cos 9x minus cos 5x. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus, here it will be 17, sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Cos 10x. How can you solve this problem? First of all, you have to write as you know that sin c plus sin d is equal to what? 2 sin c plus d by 2, that means x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that means x minus 3x by 2 divided by cos c plus cos d is equal to what? 2 cos c plus d by 2, that means x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2. Now x plus 3x by 2 is equal to 1 sin 2x, and it will be cos minus 2x by 2, that means cos minus x. Can you write it? 2 here cancel, and it will be sin 2x into cos minus x divided by, it will be cos 2x into cos x. Sorry, that's cos minus x. Here cos minus x will be cancelled, and finally you get sin 2x by cos 2x, that will be tan 2x. It is a very simple problem. Now we take it, it's here LHS. Here cos c minus cos t divided by sin c minus sin d. And you know that cos c minus cos d is equal to what? 2 sin c plus d by 2. That means 9x plus 5x by 2, that means 7x into sin d minus c by 2, that means 5x minus 9x, that means minus 4x by 2, that means can you write directly minus 2x divided by, in denominator, sin 17x minus sin 13x. If you write sin 17x minus sin 3x, can you write it? 2 cos c plus d by 2, that means 17x plus 3x will be what? 20x by 2, that means 10x into sin c minus d by 2, that means 17x minus 3x, that will be 14x by 2, that means 7x. After it, sin x, 7x, sin x, 7x, cancel, and 2 and 2 cancel, finally you get sin minus 2x will be what? Minus sin 2x. Because you know sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. After it, in the denominator you get cos 10. That will be 1. Now we take the next examples. Slowly complexity of problem is increased. Now we take another example. You have to prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus 7x is equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. Sorry, side. into sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin x, sin 7x, and you have to prove it. It will be 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. Simply, you have to choose such an angle such that you can get some parts of this problem, that means RHS. Can you arrange it x and 7x, then you definitely get 4x, and here it will be 3x and 3x and 5x. If you arrange it as it, then you can see that here sin x into don't take as it. You simply write sin c plus sin d here. If you take it sin c plus sin d, then you get sin c plus sin d is equal to what? 2 sin c plus d by 2, that means x plus 3x will be 4x by 2, that means 2x, into cos c minus d by 2, that means cos c, that means x minus 3x by 2, that means minus 2x by 2, that means you can write minus x, plus sin c plus sin d here again, then you can write it sin 5x plus 7x, that means 6x, that means 5x plus 7x divided by 2, that means 6x, into sin minus x, sin minus x, because cos minus x, that means you get finally sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus 7x. Here sin x plus sin 3x can be written as 2 sin c plus d, 2 sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And similarly, this terms can be written as sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin cos c minus d by 2. Now, if you take common in both terms, here you can write cos minus x is equal to cos x, because as you know that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So you can suppose cos minus x is equal to cos x. If you take common in both terms 2 cos x, then you get sin 2x plus sin 6x. 2 cos x into, as you know that sin c plus sin d is equal to what? 2 times sin c plus d by 2, that means 2x plus 6x divided by 2, that means 4x, into cos c minus d by 2, that means 2x minus 6x divided by 2, that means cos minus 2x. Now finally you get 2 times 2, that will be 4, and here minus cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, so you can remove it and simply write 4 times cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. It is your final answer. Now we take next example. In the next example, it is given that you have to prove that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus x, cos 3x plus sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. You have to prove it. Simply, you have to apply formula sin c plus sin d. What is the formula of the sin c plus sin d? It will be, from LHS you can write, from LHS sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 times sin c plus d by 2, that means 3x plus x, that means 4x by 2, 4x by 2, that means 2x, into sin x, into cos 3x minus x by 2, that means 2x. So you can write 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Cos 2x by 2, you can write here x into sin x. Next term will be cos c minus what is the formula of cos c minus cos t? Cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, that means 3x plus x, 4x by 2, that means 2x, into sin d minus c by 2, that means sin x minus 3x, that means minus 2x by 2, that means minus x into cos x. If you see here, you get 2 sin 2x cos x into sin x. Whole term will be positive. And next term will be 2 sin 2x cos x and sin minus x. Can you write sin minus x equal to minus sin x? If you write sin minus x equal to minus sin x, then whole term will be negative. Here, whole term will be positive and both term will be, if you don't consider about sign, then both will be same and only differ by negative sign. So you can remove it and it will be 0. Now we take the next problem. Now, in the next example, I think all the next example will be same, so you can solve it simply, but I want to again solve it. Example 3. In this problem, it says to you, prove that cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2, and you have to prove it. How can you prove? Simply, as you know that it is a cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. From this example, can you use here compound angle formula? No, because it will, there should be cos a into cos b, then here definitely will be sin a into sin b. There is no any formula in terms of completely cos. So you have to apply another formula, that means compound that formula which converts product of two trigonometric function into sum of two trigonometric function. So before it start, firstly you have to multiply 2 and again divide by 2. After it you get 1 by 2 times 2 cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus 2 cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. Then it will be 1 by 2. 2 cos a into cos b will be what? Cos a plus b into cos plus cos a minus b. Similarly here it will be 2 cos a into cos b will be what? Can you write it also? Minus here this side will be taken here, cos a plus b, that means 3x plus 9x by 2 into minus plus, it will be minus 3x minus 9x by 2. After it, you get 2 to the 4x plus x, that will be cos 5x plus 2 to the 4x में x, that means cos 3x by 2. And next term will be 3 to the 6x plus 9x, that means 15x. So you can write cos 15x by 2 minus cos 6x minus 9x, that will be minus 3x by 2. But cos minus 3x by 2, that will be cos 3x by 2. So you can write cos 3x by 2. Now cos 3x by 2, cos 3x by 2 cancel, and cos 5x by 2, 5x by 2, 15x by 2, and sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, cos 3x by 2 minus cos 3x by 2 cancel, and you get cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. Now, again use formula. Firstly, I want to rub a part of this problem. Here you get 1 by 2 into cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. It is neutral. Vanishes. Minus cos 15x by 2. 1 by 2 times cos c minus cos d is equal to what? 2 times cos, 2 times sin c plus d by 2. So you can write 5x plus 15x by 2 into sin c minus d, sin d minus sin c by 2. After it you get what? 2 and 2 will be cancelled, right? 15x plus 5x, 20x by 2, that means 10x again by 2, that means sin 5x. So you get sin 5x into here 15x by 2 minus 5x by 2, that means 10x by 2, that means 5x. Again you divide by 2, that means so you can write sin 5x by 2. It is your final answer of this problem. I think you understand. I want to take again next some standard problem. In the next problem, simply I want to hint. After it, you simply can solve. In this problem, it says to you, you have to prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. How can you solve this problem? Firstly, I want to tell you there are two ways by which you can solve this problem. First way will be solve LHS. Find the LHS. What do you get? It will be another way. Now again solve RHS, and finally you get both expression will be same. So you can show that LHS is equal to RHS. Firstly, so you have to solve LHS. Again you have to solve RHS. After it, you get equal expression that represents your LHS is equal to RHS. So given mathematical equation will be proved. Now problem and that will be same, so I do not consider this problem again. Okay, now in the next class I will again discuss some problems, because today class is over, and the next class I will discuss again all those problems which is relevant to this formula. After it I will again discuss some all examples or problems which is also related to this topic. Thanks all of you. I will again meet you in the next class. Thanks all of you.